Thousands of Kentuckians were stuck in unemployment limbo when the pandemic hit, some not getting benefits for months upon months. The state saying it just couldn't handle the flood of claims. WDRB's Lawrence Smith explains the governor's new plan to prevent another meltdown.
Here at the Capitol, Governor Beshear announcing he wants to merge the education and labor cabinets as part of his effort to fix the state's unemployment insurance crisis. The problem began last year when unemployment claims surged during the height of the pandemic, overwhelming a system that was understaffed and using an outdated computer system. It left thousands waiting for answers about their claims.
We need more permanent fixes to ensure that if we ever go through something like what we have seen, that our unemployment insurance works better.
Beshear says merging the education and labor cabinets, which are already closely aligned, will produce a larger pool of workers that can be cross-trained to handle a crisis.
One thing we saw we had to do in this crisis is we had to pull other employees in from other cabinets that didn't necessarily have the same background and weren't necessarily under the same roof.
The merged cabinet will be led by current Labor Secretary Jamie Link. The current acting education secretary, who replaced Lieutenant Governor Jacqueline Coleman, will be the deputy. Beshear says there will be no layoffs.
We don't see any reduction in force other than one cabinet secretary, at least in the beginning. And remember, part of our problem in government right now, like everywhere else, is we're understaffed.
Beshear says the effort to replace the computer system is moving forward, but he admits none of the changes will help those still waiting for their claims to be resolved.
What it means in the next week or two to existing claims, unfortunately, it won't make those go faster. But my commitment here is not just to get through those claims, but to make sure it doesn't happen again.
The legislature must approve the merger when it returns in January. At the state capitol in Frankfort, Lawrence Smith, WDRB News.